million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me for my good friends over there at Beauty Forever Hair, y'all know I absolutely love them. We've reviewed tons of wigs by them, and that's how we do human hair on this channel. We'll try a company once. If we like them, we'll keep rocking with them. If they trash, I say they trash, and we never talk to them again. That actually just happened with a human hair company. Oh well, but I love Beauty Forever. If you look down in that description box, you see a direct link to this wig, all the details that I'm probably about to butcher, and all that good jazz. You also see that subscribe button. Hit it. Let's see what's in this box, okay? Y'all know all I did was take it out of this shipping packaging because I like to do everything with you guys. So they sent the wig, of course, but they also sent the goodies. And like I say all the time, that matters to me if you spending your money. Some stocking caps, a silk storage bag, eyelashes, a bonnet, makeup brush, and an edge band. All right, this wig, I'm just reading off the shipping label. This wig is a 24-inch body wave in the color PB, or not PB, FB30, which this color is absolutely gorgeous for the fall. Y'all, look at that color. Ooh, that might be a bop with this lipstick. This is Covet by Milani, and this little tan shirt. All right, let's see what the cap construction is. You get a comb in the back, of course, and adjustable straps. And in the front, you get, that looks like a 13x4, but look in that box, sis. I could have just butchered that. Okay, it looks like a 13x4. I come to the right, I come to the left. And of course, the baby hairs for you to customize. Y'all, look at that color on this unit. Let me, before I even cut that off, well, I ain't got no stock cap, I grab one, but let me show it to you before I cut the lace off. Now this is gonna be pretty. Right, okay. Like I said, it's 24 inches long. That's where it falls on me. And I'm 5'5" with saggy boobies. All right, so we are going to cut this lace off, play around with this unit a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. and Beautiful Ever delivers every time, y'all. The quality on this hair is really, really nice. Of course, it's straight out of the pack. I didn't get any shedding or tangling. Y'all know I'm not a baby hair person, so I just pushed those back and threw some curls in this unit, and it is good to go. This color, and y'all know, like I always say, I really don't care for like warm blondes like this, but the mix that they did on this is absolutely gorgeous, and to me it screams fall, y'all. Right? I love it, I love it, I love it. Remember, this is 24 inches, so if you want a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, order accordingly. If you look in that box, it should be a coupon code. I can't stop touching it. It should be a coupon code down there for you to use, as well as the details as you click subscribe. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into hair. I don't know, maybe it's your Auntie Bobby, maybe it's your Uncle Bobby, whichever one. Send them to me in Beautiful Ever, and we're gonna get them right. They also sent me this a Jerry curl wig. I need to go over there and see it. So you're gonna see the same makeup look, same shirt with another wig by them. This one is about. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon.